If you work in a company, you probably experienced a lot of brainstorming sections before. But are they useful? Is brainstorming really the right way to do? That's what we will be talking about today. I will share why I think it's useful, it's necessary, and how you can make it more efficient. So if you really want to improve your brainstorming technique, stay with this video. If you would like to receive more technology reviews or analysis, like today's video is about tech organizations operation, don't forget to subscribe. So brainstorming usually it's when a collective people, when a group of people, they don't know what to do, what to go next, and they want to ask as many people's ideas as possible. So that's when brainstorming comes in. And usually when people do brainstorming sections, there will be a couple of people, probably more than five to 10. And there'll be a session that people talk about their ideas about certain problems, give us a bit of solutions. Everyone give a bit of a solution. And there will be a case like usually sometimes in the project, some people don't really have too much to say about that. In the brainstorming sections, they will have more say in the session. So it's a way to collect ideas from everyone. But what kind of the problem with that is usually if you don't organize this carefully, they will just become very inefficient. People just talk about things very off topic and talk about ideas because everyone needs to give one idea. And if somebody already say that, you cannot repeat your idea, right? So there will be a lot of low quality ideas just because they try not to duplicate ideas. So that's very harmful. So how can we avoid this? It's one way is to just go 1-2 ideas very deep. Ask why we should do this, why what we should do. Just for example, okay, how can we build a better search engine that's better than Google? Okay, so in this case, many people will give some ideas. Maybe you can build a subscription-based search engine without ads. People need to pay $30 a month to subscribe, and some other people will say, "Oh, we should build a lot of sub search engines for each domain." A lot of ideas, and after 2 ideas, probably like the rest of ideas will become like very useless. It's not really solving the problem. So let's just in this case, you just focus on first 2 ideas. First idea, it's just one idea. Why we should build a subscription-based search engine? Who is our users, and what we should do if we really want to do that. And you should ask these questions very deeply for everyone. So after you ask why we do that, maybe people give us a lot of reasons. Then you dig into those reasons. Why this is a reason, and then ask if we maybe people say because that we can get rid of advertisements, so that we won't necessarily display the results that's less relevant. We'll always display results that's the best quality for users, right? And then the next questions will be even deeper, right? Who is our user, right? Why they should use our product, why they should pay $30 a month to use a search engine. So they maybe some people care about search quality a lot, and or these kind of precisions affects their job a lot. Maybe they are venture capitalist. If they search some wrong information, misleading information, they will affect their investment a lot. So in their case, they're even willing to pay $3,000 a month to solve this problem, right? Or they are like in the medical domain, they're doing some medical research. What they are going to search, these results will affect their decision makings, and one mistake is very, very, very expensive pharmaceutical company, right? So they will care about the search quality a lot more than other people. So this could be their users, and keep digging in. And if let's say venture capitalists are the users, so how to reach them? How to build first prototype to reach them? You just ask one dimension of the problems, the questions very deep, then you'll find out they will gradually become a much better solution and much better understanding of the current problems you're facing. So this gives us another discussion points, which is why I think brainstorming section is still necessary, even sometimes not very efficient. I already told you how you can make it more efficient, right? So second point, it's necessary because it's kind of the way to define your collective understanding of a problem. You have one problem in your organization, and sometimes very hard to kind of convey your ideas, your roadmaps to the whole level of organization. Maybe usually the case is only executives, they know why they do that, but the base employees, they really don't know why you make these kind of decisions. So brainstorming is really a good way to communicate what problems we're facing, and they will propose certain solutions, and you probably will say why we couldn't do that, because there are difficulty 1, difficulty 2, something like that. So it's really good way to communicate. Okay, so I still think brainstorming is necessary, and definitely we should make it more. You can make it more efficient, and that's the methodology I already provided. Hope you like it. If you would like to receive more videos like about technology, AI, machine learning, tech analysis like today's video, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is really the best encouragement for me to make more videos like these. Other than that, take care, and I will see you next time.